attempt at the bottle beer bong. First, I must open this motherfucker with my handy dandy. How the fuck do you open this beer bottle opener? Oh, God damn it. This is not a good bottle opener. I guess you take it off before you explode it all over your crotch. Alright, so I took it off with another bottle opener. Yeah, it's bottle cap removal. Now, I just watched the fucking video on this, so it shouldn't be fucking impossible to figure out what to do with this. Just like so. Here we go. Ah, fucking cold. Oh my God, mission accomplished. What the fuck?